Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a straightforward guide on how to send Chainlink from Uphold to Bitmart in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or just looking to switch exchanges for better rates, this step-by-step process will have you transferring your assets in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Uphold and Bitmart, and that you have some Chainlink tokens in your Uphold wallet. Security is key in crypto, so double-check that you're on the official apps or websites to avoid any scams. Step 1. Log into your Uphold account. Head to your dashboard and locate your Chainlink holdings. Click on the Withdraw or Send option for Chainlink. This is usually found under the Asset Details. Step 2. Before entering any details, switch over to Bitmart. Log in to your Bitmart account and go to the Deposit section. Select Chainlink from the list of cryptocurrencies. Make sure you're on the correct network, like Ethereum, as Chainlink often operates on it. Copy the deposit address provided. Don't share this with anyone. Step 3. Back in Uphold, paste the Bitmart deposit address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of Chainlink you want to send, and take a moment to review everything, including any transaction fees. Step 4. Hit Confirm to initiate the transfer. You'll get a confirmation screen, so read it carefully before proceeding. The transaction might take a few minutes to an hour to process, depending on network congestion. Once it's complete, log back into Bitmart and check your wallet to ensure the Chainlink has arrived. If you run into issues, contact the support for either platform. A quick tip: always verify wallet addresses to prevent costly mistakes, and keep an eye on gas fees if you're dealing with Ethereum-based tokens. That's it for this guide. Sending crypto doesn't have to be complicated, and you're now one step closer to managing your assets like a pro. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you next time.